Very good morning, my dear student. Today lecture on scientific production technology for onion in MSc Horticulture first semester in Hort 504 production technology for vegetable and tuber crops. So just this is a next lecture from onion. I have to complete it from the introduction to planting method is already completed through previous lecture. So just today I have to continue from the planting of onion is a different planting methods and different methods of the planting is already completed. Then this is a different method of plantings and nursery preparation is starting from the nursery raising. The seed treatments within the thyrums and carbendazim 2:1 ratio is a very importance for the seed treatments at the rate of 3 gram per kg of seeds, and trichoderma is already used to at the rate of 4 to 6 gram per kg of seeds should be done to prevent of disease and dumping offs. So it's already complete to previous slides, and this is a nursery of onions to ready for the transplantings and go for the uproot and transplanting to main fields of the onions. So there is a nursery seedling. So there is the transplanting is done with this is the most common method in practices for the irrigated crops. It is the result in the high yield and large size of the valves for the onion production. In the plain seeds are during the May-June for Kharif season and October-November for Rabi season of the onion. It is very good for the season of the planting of nursery is good for the onion production. Is there the hill and seeds are sown from March to June, and transplanting of seedling should be done during the August to September in Kharif seasons. Where areas during the Rabi season, transplanting is done during the first fortnight of the January is most desirable season of the time of plantings is onion. So it's very good for the transplanting of onion. So and this is already planted and middle age of the onion plants through bulb, and there the irrigation situations is the onion is the mainly grown as well as in the irrigated crops in India. So very important to frequently of irrigation depend on the soil and climatic condition of the areas. So irrigation is importance to requirement of water varies within the last stage with the stage of the crops. So it is the require less water immediately after the establishment of the seedlings. So frequently irrigation, go for the frequently irrigation, and consumption of hose to increasing with the maximum requirement before the maturities should be around 3 months after the transplanting, and thereafter it is reduced to frequently irrigation of onions. So irrigated the crop at least 13 to 14 days interval during the early stage, followed by the subsequent irrigation at 7 to 10 days interval. It's suitable for the irrigation days intervals. So it is the following the beadings can also be done, and onions to produce the good nutrients competitions for the free from the nutrition competition from the soil. So beading is the proper timely and within the 25 days. So it's you have to go and complete a beading. So during the early stage of the crops and plant grow slowly and it is essential to remove the weeds. Pre-plants incorporation of used to the vaseline 2 kg of per hectare and pendimethalins at the rate of 3 to 4 ml per liter along with one hand weedings at 45 days after the planting. Its transplanting is recommended to control of weeds. So it's very good and very important for the plantings and weighing a shallow rooted crops and deep interculture operation is likely to ignore injurious the roots reduce the yield and generally two hoeing are essential for making soil loss and to covering the bulb of crops. So it's very important to nutrition free from the nutrition competition of weeds in the soil for the healthy growth and development of plants. So timely beadings and can be used to manual beadings and weedicides can also used to control the prevent of weed at the time of growth and development of plants. There is the harvesting and yield of onions to go for the timely harvesting. So it is the very good for harvesting timing is the onion is the ready for harvesting is 5 to 6 month after the transplanting depend on the varieties and so it's the duration of the maturities and harvesting of the onions. So valve is a harvest to be started when the 50 to 75% neck fall occur, but this is the phenomenon of the occur only the during Rabi season, whereas the Kharif season. So based on the visual inspection only is the well harvesting is done. Is a identification of harvesting index of can be used to the identifications of inspection of crops for the ready of harvesting. So its different seasons and different timings can be used to the harvestings and number of days is a harvesting durations and 50 to 75 neck fall can be used to identification of inspection of harvesting when the harvesting is valve to reduce to good qualities and good qualities and storage time depend upon the season and harvesting seasons and harvesting is done by the pulling out plants when the top of are droppings to still the green. During hot days there the soil hard bulbs are pulled with the out with the hand holes to use to harvesting is a importance to grateful movement of the plants. So it is very good for the harvesting timings. The yield of onions to varies from the varieties from the old seasons and the season also we depend upon the harvestings like Kharif season and Rabi season is also be important seasons to importance timing to the harvesting of the onions. The in the Kharif season and average yield approximate about 20 to 25 ton per hectare can also be achieved the areas in the Rabi season. In 30 to 35 ton per hectare can be in Rabi seasons and possible to yield of season also. Yield of the Kharif season is the comparatively is too low depend upon the varieties and season also. Next one is the curing is also following the onions. The sprouting and rooting are common problem in the storage. Since bulb contain high moisture content can be increase the common problems to storage conditions. So bulbs should be the adequately cured and for the problem prolonging to shelf lives and proper development of the skin colors, and to be the remove of field heats before the storage of bulb, and it is done till the neck is light occur the scales to dried from the curings to used to the necks is tied and outer scale of the drieds. So this is will be prevent to the infection of disease and minimize the shrinkless losses to onion bulbs. To this is a storage conditions is depend on the curing positions for the great skin of developments by the curing is very well and very properly timing and very good conditions can be storage condition is very long due to the curing position. Curing methods can be used to long life stage storage condition can be increased by the curings. Is bulb are cured either in the field is open side by the artificial means before the storage is the unique qualification of quantities. The bulb are carried in the either the field crops is the open sheds and by artificial mean before the storage. So it's very commonly used to the harvesting is a during the Kharif season. Bulb are cured in 2 to 3 weeks along with the top of fruits plants is the plants can be top of cuts to increase the curing capacity of bulb quality and size depend upon the during of Kharif seasons, and bulb are around 2 to 3 weeks along with the tops. In the Rabi season are cured with the in fields for 3 to 5 days along with the leaves for proper drying, and drops are cut leaving 3 to 4 centimeter above the grounds and again cured for 7 to 10 days to remove the field heats to increase the storage duration at the time of storage. So it's very important to long life use to curings to improvement of the storage to great conditions of the plants. So is there the very importance to harvesting to increase the curing capacities to the field crops. So it's there the very good conditions to increase. There are the storage bulbs to be the stored well. The ventilated structure can be used to a storage condition of onion plants to use the cultural operations can be used to the onion storage at the time of the storage condition of plants. 2 is very important to storage conditions can be increased by the storage. So it's there the very good. The onion storage to done, it is the most important to storage condition of the onion bulb can should be the storage alveol as well as structure of temperature between the 25 to 30 25 to 30 degrees centigrade and relative humidity 65 to 70% of relative humidity can be used to storage condition of the onion. So there is very important to storage of the onion. Storage structure can be used to naturally ventilated structure, and storage structure should be the compartmentalized into the rack wise, where the onion can be stored up to the 5 feet in height with the proper ventilation at the storage house. So very good to onions can be how many wonder you keep the onion last well into the cold winter and months. So bulb are hardy and keep well. They are the harvested at the right time and hundred time of the proper timing, and dig them when the spouse could be did backs. So onion needed to the curd and curings dried out the screen. Bulbs too can be used to prune roots to and mold spreadings. To spread of the onion in the single layer of the clean. So it's very important at the time of the storing condition of onion. Bulb are harvested of the kharif crops to do not stored well long period conditions. So there is the very good for the harvesting of the onion, like different conditions of the onion to storage of the drying process and storage process to process required to storage onion the properly, and once the stored onion and undergo the following process can be used to storage. First one is the drying process, and process of the next one is the processing of onions to and raising or lowering and temperature controlled atmospheres. And third one is the conservation of the storage properties. Stew valve are harvested from the kharif season is not long time stored, and then the controlled atmosphere at the very short duration can be stored than the rabi season of the onions. At the 0 degree centigrade 0 to 2 degrees centigrade under the cold storage, bulb can be stored the long period of the plants of the valve can be storage of the very good for the long duration of uh, onion. So aim of onion can be stored or the very good for the curing is the very process to the following temperature of the onion. There the very importance to harvesting is next is the important point of the processing of raising and lowering the temperature of onion. To change the temperature of onion must be the gradually controlled to regions of the onions. There are the bulb are cured to before the onion sheds to artificial mean before the storage during the kharif season, and the bulb are cured in 2 to 3 weeks along with the storage conditions. So it's to prevent the cell in the bulb from the being the destroyed. So it's to ensure that the center of bulb can be the same temperature can be outer layer are different. So inner layer is the temperature is different, and outer layer temperature is very different of the controlled atmosphere. So maintain the temperature from the inner space and outer skin also. The before they can be stored onion must wick the following the boxes to increase the storage liability to increase the storage conditions. So there the importance point to is follow the before they can be used to stored onion, and must to following the pointers. First one is the onion must be the right variety for it can be used to storage, and for the selection of the storage of the onions, and right variety can be choose to the storage condition. Then must be harvested when the completely physically ripe onion can be used to the storage condition. So it's very important to the storage for the long duration, and so is there the very important to storage condition. Next one must be the firm, complete and compact होना चाहिए. Firm, complete and compacts. So skin must be the storage. The skin must be the strong for the can be used to the storage condition is the long time. Then bulb must have a low water content, can be used to long time storage, and it must be grown to good agricultural practices to use for the long distance transportation and long time storage condition. It is not must be refreshed and nitrogen during the last 6 weeks, can be it is the growth stage. So must be applied the sufficient amount of the egg lime. Egg limes can be used to the storage condition, can be increased by the storage temperatures. So it's very important for the storage condition. And there is the reference can be used to detail of the cultivation of the onions. So thank you very much, and any query, any comments, come to the comment box to I have to solve your problems to increase the knowledge. Thank you very much, and thank you.